Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I got this cool Amazon right here in my hand, and basically what this is an armrest pillow that's in use for your chair or anywhere else. That's up to you guys. But this one in particular is not like a regular armrest pillows or armrest support. This one is a memory foam with cooling gel inside the actual by itself to give you guys that support, but also give you guys that cooling effect, which is super awesome, especially during like the hot or warm days. Especially since like summer is coming up now. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when first open up, this is basically as you see inside right here. They do provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to set it up. And then right here, we have the actual product itself right here. So obviously both of these are the same thing in terms of the material that they use inside right here. But since both of them are the same thing, I'm going to show you guys one of them. So this is basically what it looks like right here. If you can see, when you guys feel the material itself, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has that memory foam that I mentioned, but when you guys feel the middle part, you guys can definitely feel that cooling gel that's inside the product itself to give you guys that cooling effect during the summertime, which is super amazing. If you take a look right here and right here, they do have the fastener, which is double-side fastener. So that way it's actually much easier to set it up and put it onto like your chair or whatever. The material that they have right here, or the fabric that they have for the cover itself, is a mesh material. So that way it feels really nice. So for this product in particular, it is a universal fit. So it's actually fit this on any kind of like chairs in particular. If I take a look on the bottom right here, they do have the anti-skid material to prevent it from like moving around when you guys set it up on your armrest. And for this product, since it does have this mesh cover right here, it is removable. So if you guys want to remove the cover to wash it, you definitely can as well. So all you guys need to do is take off this part right here, peel it out, and do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys take out like that, then you guys see a little zipper right here that can actually open up. So I put the zipper all the way right here. You guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside right there. So this is the memory foam material right here. You guys can see the cooling gel inside right there. So I'm actually take it out first. So you can see that this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So the outer layer is basically the memory foam right here. So the inner layer right here is the cooling gel like I mentioned. So it actually will give you guys that cooling effect when it's like really hot in like the summer days. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually put this onto the actual chair or seat itself and show you guys what it actually looks like and kind of describe what it actually feels like, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the chair that I have right now. It definitely has some kind of like foam material inside right here that feels really nice. That's pretty comfortable as well, but it's not as comfortable as like using memory foam material. That's where the memory foam cooling gel pillow comes in handy, which is right here. So I'm gonna install this onto the actual armrest right here, and it's pretty easy to set it up. So what we want to do first, open up this part right here and this part right here, so that way you can actually slide it in just like this. So once you guys have it in there like that, then you guys want to pull the strap. So this one right here. So once you pull the strap over like this, you guys can just make it tight right here and just go like this, and this is double-sided. You guys can go like that. You guys are all done. Same thing for this side. Pull it up, stick it up right here, and just stick it back like this. So it is double-sided, which is super awesome. And then once you guys have that set up, then you guys are all done and you start using it. So you see the material on here is really nice. It definitely has that memory foam material and also that cooling gel that I showed you guys earlier. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys fully set it up. And what you guys need to do is just go like this. And it definitely feels really nice because you guys get that memory foam material onto it and also that cooling gel as well. So it's really helpful when it's like really hot, especially since it has that mesh material cover right here. It definitely will feel really nice and really smooth as well. But this is basically all you guys need to do to use it. So basically once you guys fully set up, it should look like this. So I have it on this side, and I also have it on this side as well. And if you guys can't tell already, I am a huge fan of this brand stuff. We got the memory foam cooling gel right here. That is a lumbar support that's for your back. And right here is also a memory foam gel infused seat cushion as well. So I am a huge fan of the product because it feels really nice. And everything about the product is really high quality as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it's pretty easy to set up. And when you guys actually use the product itself, it feels really nice. Like if you guys compare it to like the actual armrest that I have right now on this gaming chair that I'm using right now, it's not that comfortable because of the material that you use on the armrest itself. It definitely gives you guys the support that you want, but it's definitely not as comfortable compared to like memory foam material. So this one's actually really nice, especially since this one has the built-in cooling gel on the armrest pillow itself to give you guys that extra cooling effect on top of that support and comfort of using a memory foam armrest pillow. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like armrest pillows in general that are like memory foam, or if it has the cooling gel inside, similar to this one right here, is definitely super worth it. So that way you can get that comfort, support, and also that cooling effect to actually make your experience much better when you guys are doing work, or if you guys are doing anything else. If you guys are on the computer all day, having this is definitely super awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.